Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of the 2019 Aston Martin Vantage AMR from the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The AMR, or the Aston Martin Racing Vantage, is modelled on the Vantage GT race car and is limited to just 200 models, with this being one of just 59 models made to commemorate the 60th anniversary of Aston's 1-2 finish at the 1959 Le Mans 24-hour. This car also represents the first time a manual transmission has been mated to the engine that has powered an entire generation of AMG cars, and has therefore spiked the intrigue of many. The Vantage AMR is powered by the same 4-litre twin-turbo V8 as the standard Vantage, and produces the same 510 brake horsepower, but torque is reduced from 685 Nm to 625 Nm. This output produces a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of 4 seconds, down by 0.4 seconds, and the same top speed of 195 mph. The AMR comes in a high specification as standard with lightweight carbon fibre parts, but can be spec'd independently by the owner. This 59 edition, however, is in this fixed specification. This car is sitting on the new 20-inch front and rear, textured black forged wheels. To provide an improved ride over its 3 different drive modes, the AMR also comes with updated Skyhook adaptive damping tech. Moving to the body, the AMR comes with these new carbon bonnet vents, which are almost lubes considering how far out they are. Now moving inside, we first find this commemorative 1 of 200 sill plaque. The actual physical interior is unchanged, other than the addition of the central gear changer. The new gearbox is a 7-speed manual in dogleg layout, but it comes with AM shift for auto rev matching. As a result of losing its 8-speed auto, the car has lost 95 kilograms over the standard Vantage, with a curb weight of just 1535 kilograms. Taking a closer look at the seats, we also find the exclusive 59 crests between the lime green striping. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of this 2019 Aston Martin Vantage AMR from the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.